Assam gi ising ichawda mateng pangna bangarang Chief Minister in Biena SDRF Manipur gi personal nifu amadi chana thakna potlam kya galoina lamthara kiba truck ahum ngasi Jiribam da thunglaba matung Jiribam Deputy Commissioner W Manglemba Changleina Assam gi Kasa District Deputy Commissioner Kirthi Jali IS da kusina krep Jiribam gi Bopra da leiba foreigner check post manakta pangthokiba potchai kusina bagi thorum aduda Assam gi Kasa District ki DC Kirthi Jalina hai Handak Assam ki chaw namaram oiraga awaba taraba miyambu mateng pangunaba Manipur lengang na SDRF Manipur ki personal nifu galoyana chana thaknaba potlam kaya mateng panglakpada Manipur lengak pu thagat pa phongdorakli panbayai handak ki cheyol amarom Assam da nong ka hena chubadagi Assam ki tongan mafam kaya da ichaw gi awaba mayokna duna lakhibani maru oina Assam ki silchar area gi lambi thong yauna mafam kaya ising thumjan khiduna leirakhibani ngasigi thorom aduda District Administration Jiribam amadi Jiribam District Police Official kyasu saruk yakhe.
It's been a never before seen kind of pandemic, disaster, and we're all fighting, and we really appreciate and thank Manipur government and DC Jiribam to come and help us out in this time. Your ration and more importantly the 40 SDRF personnel that you're sending will be a big boost to our efforts, and we really appreciate this peaceful gesture, and I'm sure it'll go a long way in building our ties further, because geography doesn't change, our neighbors don't change, so we have to live together, and this step from your end is really appreciable. We're very thankful for the support extended by Government of Manipur.